Hello class, this is Ms. Montes. This week we're going to be going over nonfiction. We are going to be reading two articles. The first article will be about the Ebola virus, and the second article is going to be about the coronavirus. So right here we have a PowerPoint that's going to help you understand the text features. Okay. What are text features? Authors include text features to help the reader better understand what they have to read. Text features provide information that may not be written in the text itself. Text features can be found in textbooks, magazine articles, newspapers, reports, web pages, and other forms of nonfiction text. Okay. For the titles, what do the titles of the articles in the newspaper tell you? Titles tell the reader the topic of the text. Titles show the main idea of the text. Titles help the reader by letting them know what they're about to read. The title also helps the reader focus on the topic so that they can make connections between what they already know about the text. Subheadings. So you have the title and then you have the subheadings. Subheadings divide the text into sections. Subheadings tell the main idea of each section of the text. They are printed in large or bold type to make them stand out. Subheadings help the reader to locate information in the text by telling them where to look. They also will have them in bold, color, or italics. The style and color of the text sends the reader signals about how to read the content. Keywords to notice are in bold or in color. Text in italics is used in picture captions, book titles, and other elements that need to stand out. Text in bold, color, or italics draw the reader's attention to important information. Articles also include photos and illustrations. They give information in a visual way. They help tell the story. They work with the words and headings to help teach the material. They help the reader understand an idea from the text that was unclear. Captions. So for example, here would be the photograph and the thing in the bottom, the information on the bottom would be a caption. The caption explains that the coins are from the ocean, so here's the pic. The caption would help me understand where the treasure was found. Here's the pic and it tells us, photo by Marcin, these gold coins were found on the ocean floor. A caption explains what is shown in a picture or illustration. Captions help the reader understand information that may or may not be in the text. A text box. The text box contains mystery to help create interest for the reader. So here's the text box. A text box provides more information than is in the text about a topic. A text box can include interesting facts or information the author wants the reader to know. Text boxes help readers understand by creating interest and emphasizing important information. So this would be text boxes. Maps. Maps are drawings that show the basic shape of the land and other geographical, political, or historical features. They present information in a visual form. They help the reader understand where an event happens, and they help the reader understand how far away an event took place. Diagrams. A diagram, so here's an example. A diagram is a drawing that shows or explains something. To understand the diagram, the reader should read the titles, labels, captions, and numbered parts. Diagrams help the reader understand steps, how objects are made, or information in the text. Tables. You also have articles that have tables. Tables organize large amounts of information in a small space. They're going to give you data. Tables present all kinds of data, from numbers and amounts to calendars and menus. Tables help the reader compare information in the text. Timelines. Timelines show important events in chronological order or time order. Timelines help the reader better understand the order of the events and how one may have to lead to another. Okay. So now I'm going to go ahead and go to our Google Classroom, and I'm going to show you what I've posted for this week. So right here, I posted this morning. Good morning, class. This week we'll be reviewing nonfiction. You will be viewing two instructional videos. The first one on the Ebola virus and the second on the coronavirus. So now I'm going to go ahead and show you here. Today's assignment is the Ebola one. I also posted a video that's going to help you analyze nonfiction articles. So let me go to the classwork because I want to show you what is due this week. So today was due the instructional Ebola virus video. So I'm going to go ahead and click on it so you're able to see it. Let me see. I'm going to put the edit version. Okay. Or maybe I can click on it. Let me see. Let me try this one more time. Okay. I think here. Okay. Okay, perfect. Okay, so for today, you're going to watch the instructional video on the Ebola story. I have it here linked already. So you have the YouTube video. As you're watching the YouTube video, you are going to answer the following questions. Now, what I did this week, and we're going to try to do it every week, I attached the regular Microsoft Word. Here are the questions. But I was seeing that Google disabled the option for you all to be able to make a copy of it. So to make it easier for you guys, okay, let me see. I am going to be doing it on Google Forms. So after you watch the YouTube video, you can either type in the answers here, but let's start switching. I put here. You can also submit your responses on the Google form below. So if you just look at the three attachments, this is a video on the story of Ebola. This is the Microsoft Word document, but now I started including Google Forms. So if you click on Google Forms, now I still have the instructions here. I have the video here, and you can type in your answer. So this is going to allow you to just submit your answers. Once you type in your answers, on the bottom you would click submit. So we are going to start switching to Google Forms because that way nobody has difficulty submitting their assignments. So let's start from now on. This week, you will be submitting your responses, your answers through the Google form. I already created all of them for the week. So that is assignments, Tuesday's assignment, which is today. Tomorrow's assignment, I have it already posted as well. For tomorrow, you're going to please read the selection. The first effective treatments for Ebola virus are being tested. Then you answer the questions that follow. Again, I did the same thing. You have it on Microsoft Word, which you're going to have to click because here's the article. This is the article you're going to be reading, and the quiz is on the bottom. But you can just use the article, open the Microsoft Word, use the article, and then you would submit on Google Form, just like I showed you with the other one. So again, this is the the Microsoft Word. It's on the article right there. And over here, in the attachment, you would click on Google Forms. And it would be here. So it's going to be the same thing. These are the questions for the answer, and you would just click, click, click. I'm just clicking randomly. These are not the answers. I don't know. Just clicking randomly. And then you would submit. Again, this is the assignment. The article is in the Wednesday attachment. And then here on the Google form is where you're going to submit your responses. So this is Wednesday's assignment. Now let's look at Thursday's assignment. For Thursday, after watching the instructional video, get the facts on the coronavirus. Please type in your responses. Get the facts on the coronavirus. Again, here is the article. This one you're just going to watch the video. You can either use the scan on your camera, or you can click on the link, either or. It's going to direct you to it. Whatever you find easier. So you can click That's a commercial there. Let's let it run. I don't know whether it's a commercial. It was an ad, but here's the actual video. Okay, so once you click on the ad, or you remove the ad and watch the actual video. Okay, let me see. I accidentally clicked out. Okay, so you are here. This is Thursday's assignment. It's going to be the same thing. You click on the video, the instructional video. I don't know why an ad came out. Here are the questions, or you can just click on the Google form, okay, and you can answer it here. But you are gonna have to open the Microsoft Word file because here's the video. So you click on the video. Once you watch the video, you submit your answers on Google form. You type it in, submit. For Friday, this is the assignment for Friday. Please read the selection, Play It Safe, What Kids Should Know About the Coronavirus Outbreak. So again, here is the article on the Microsoft Word document. Here is the article. The quiz is there. But I want you to use the Microsoft Word file to read the article. And then the same thing, you click on the Google form. And then this is where you're going to submit your answers. So once you read the article, answer the question here on Google form, and then you submit. It's going to make it a whole lot easier for everybody. Okay, so again, for this week, here you have the upcoming dates. I'm going to put here view all so you're able to see. So starting from this week is, again, the instructional video, the Ebola story. The next day, so this is Tuesday. Wednesday, the first effective treatments for the Ebola virus are being tested article. Thursday, instructional video, get the facts on the coronavirus. And Friday, Play It Safe, what kids should know about the coronavirus outbreak. So that is the assignments for this week. I introduced the nonfiction text features to you guys. You have your directions here. You're able to watch the video here. You're also, I'll be posting daily. We are going to have a Google Meet live session that we'll be recording soon. So these are the assignments for the week. So make sure you are submitting. I can see right away who submits and who does not. So I have it here. It will tell me automatically. So here, if I click on, let's click on today's assignment. I assigned it to 15 of you. Only one of you has turned it in. So automatically it tells me. So right here, okay? Just a friendly reminder as well. These are the people that are in your class. You have me, Mr. Pro, Mr. Mireles, our vice principal, and Mr. Ramirez. And then these are our classmates. So have a great day, class. Please make sure you're staying safe and sound, and I'll see you soon on our virtual live session. Have a great day and a great week.